Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to share with you my Nykaa haul, and this is my Nykaa unboxing haul. Today I have got my order delivered and I just want to make a video and share what are the product which I have got. So if we start the video, firstly I want to show you the product which I have got. This is the product, and if my camera can focus, it's a Kama Ayurveda pure rose water face and body mist steam distilled toner, and it's a very good toner. I have already used it, and if your skin is feeling low and if you want to make your skin feel fresh, just use it once and you're good to go. This is a plastic bottle, and the price of this toner is mentioned on it is 300 rupees, and there is no discount on this toner. I have got the toner the same price on Nykaa. There is no discount on this toner, but whatever product I am showing you here in this haul, all the links will be in the description box. You can check them out from there and you can buy any of the products. Okay, if we talk about the next product, I have got a pair of false eyelashes. These eyelashes are from Pack Cosmetics. If you can see here, it's mentioned here Pack. These are the eyelashes from Pack, and I have seen many YouTubers are using it. These are the professional artist cosmetics tapered lashes, and these are in the number 52. It's mentioned here this, and the price of these lashes mentioned on it is 245 rupees. Then for to use these eyelashes, I have ordered a very good quality of glue, which is the glue from Miss Claire. If you can see here, it's a Miss Claire glue, and it's in that dark tone, means it's in black color. If you all have seen, the glue is of white color, but I have ordered black colored glue, and this is a waterproof glue, and the price of this glue is mentioned, it is 295. The next product, then I have ordered a nail polish remover. If you can see, okay, this is from Faces Canada Insta Remove Dip and Twist Nail Enamel Remover. You have to do nothing, just open the cap and just dip your finger in this and just twist it sometimes, and the nail polish will be removed, and it's retails for 250 rupees, and this is a very good nail polish remover from Faces Canada. Okay, then I have got a nail polish from the same brand, Faces Canada, and it's there is Splash nail polish, and it is in the shade Bahama Breeze. It is in the shade Bahama Breeze. I don't think my camera can focus on it. Okay, I'll provide the link in the description box if you want the same product. It retails for 109 rupees, but I have got this product in 98 rupees in sale. A very good nail color. Okay, then the next nail color which I have ordered, it's also from the same brand, Faces Canada, and it is also of the same cost, that it retails for 109 rupees, and I have got it in 98 rupees in the sale, and this is in the shade Sunny Side Up 51. I'll mention the link in the description box. You can check it out from there. The next thing which I have ordered is a hair serum. This is the hair serum which I have ordered. You can see here, this is Streaks hair serum. It is very good for this is enriched with macadamia oil and vitamin E for a high gloss silky smooth finish. If you have dry hair, then you can use this serum after washing the hairs. On wet hairs, just take a little drop of the serum and rub it on your palm, and just then use on your hairs. Your hairs will be good to go. They get detangled easily. They will become frizz free and shiny. It's a very good, and the price mentioned on this serum is 105 rupees. I got it in 100 rupees. Next product, I have ordered this concealer from Maybelline. If you can see here, Maybelline Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer, and it's a very good concealer for dusky skin tone. This is in the shade 144 caramel. And if you want to if you want any product review, like how the product used to get on my skin, then you can ask me in the comment box. You can then the next product is a lip balm. Okay, you can see here, this is the lip balm which I have ordered. If this is a strawberry lip balm, the Body Shop lip balm, and it's a very good lip balm. I have used it earlier also. It's a very good lip balm, and it retails for 250 rupees, and I have got it in the same price. There is no discount on the lip balm. The packaging is so good. Okay, I forgot to tell you the price of that Age Rewind concealer. The price mentioned on the concealer is 620 rupees, but I have got it in 430 rupees. I think it's a very huge sale going on Maybelline products. That's why I have got it in 430 rupees. Okay, last and the most favorite of mine product is this lip crayon. This lip crayon is from Faces Canada. I have already finished 2 of it, and this is the third one, and it's in the shade Bold Wine 11. If you want to get the lip swatches of these lip crayons, I have 2 or 3 shades of these Faces Canada lip crayons, then please mention it in the comment section. I'll definitely gonna make a video on this too. And the application of this is very super soft on the lips. They are so light on the lips. Be on the lips for 6 hours, sit on the lips for a long time, and this is a very good lip crayon. That's all for the Nykaa haul. And yes, if you want to get the video of this lipstick which I'm wearing right now, I'll definitely make the video on this too. Please mention in the comment section, and please like and subscribe my channel. If you want any of the product, just check out the links in the description box, and have a great day. Okay, bye bye.